Here are 5 bad habits that can ruin your life. Number 1. Hanging around negative people. You are the average of 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang around with 4 negative people, you will become the 5th. Number 2. Lack of exercise. You not only look and feel better physically when you exercise, but you also feel so much better mentally. Exercising regularly destroys anxiety and depression. Why not exercising? You are missing out on incredible benefits. Number 3. Dwelling on the past. If you can't change it, don't think about it. Dwelling on the past will do nothing. Look to the future. Number 4. Staying up too late. Sleep is super important if you wanna get things done. It is a lot easier to be productive if you have slept for 8 hours than if you have slept for 5. Number 5. Having a poor diet. It's cheesy, but the saying, you are what you eat, is so true. Eat clean, healthy food.